Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So today I'll be talking about how to protect your pen drive. That's put a password or a lock on your pen drive to prevent people from accessing it. Yeah, so if you have a pen drive with content that you don't want others to have access, then this video is for you. So first of all, insert your pen drive or your flash drive into your PC. Yeah, so in here, this is my pen drive in here, this is my flash drive in here. So you just have to right click on the flash drive, right click on it, whether Windows 8 whatever, right click on it and select the turn on BitLocker. Turn on BitLocker. So select that option, turn on BitLocker, and wait. Turn on BitLocker. So in here you have to select use a password to unlock the device. So you tick that tab, use a password to unlock the device, then enter in the password that you want to use to lock the USB or your flash drive. So let me enter in the password. Okay, let me enter in the password. So when you are done with that, you just tap on the next. So you can either save the recovery key to maybe your desktop or any other, but I advise you to save it to a file. So save it to a particular file on your computer. Any file, just save it to a particular file. So when you're done with that, next. Yeah, so you have to select the first one, encrypt use date space only. Yeah, so choose this one, okay, choose this one. That's when your pen drive is new. Yeah, your pen drive is new, and in here you can encrypt the entire drive. So you realize in here there's an option here, slower but best for PCs and drives already in use. So if your drive is already in use, then I'll advise you to select this section. If it's not in use, then it's a new drive, then I'll advise you to select the first one. Okay, so let me select the first one. So in here, compatible mode. So you just select the new compatible mode. Select this one and start the encryption and wait. So you realize in here a lock has been, there has been a lock on my pen drive, on my flash drive down. As you can see, there's a lock on it. So that's it. You are done with it. So that's the best way to prevent people from accessing your pen drive or your flash drive. Okay, so if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, see you.